Okay, in the last video we showed the installation of my Linea Cali handle on my Belldinni doors, and now we're going to be installing the thumb turn privacy escutcheon through that lower hole. Just for reference, again, the purpose of these videos, as I was doing research before I purchased these doors and handles, was I couldn't find a lot of information about, how these handles worked, etc. So hoping that you find some value here. For the AGB Polaris 2XT magnetic latch here, if you don't have a privacy latch at the bottom, then you just simply won't have that lower hole pre-cut into the door. So it's this for AGB's magnetic lock sets, and I think for a lot of the other brands that make a similar product, it's the exact same magnetic latch whether you have the privacy latch or not. It's just a matter of, if you do have it, then your door fabricator will pre-cut that lower hole so that the thumb turn escutcheon can be installed. And again, just like with the handle, you're turning the set screw underneath the thumb turn to secure it to the door. And there you go. full installation of the AGB lock set and the handle with the thumb turn escutcheon just took my carpenter about 10 minutes end to end. So it's really not a hard process. Again, the door is pre-cut. Again, these doors were made by Belldinni, and they were pre-cut for the lock set and the handle and thumb turn escutcheon, which made it really simple for my carpenter to pop these items in and finish the installation.